Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, them boy, them people every day, them get up on my name. Every day.
Well, it's not really an incident. It's more of a report. So this girl, her name is Vany, right? She's calling my workplace. I'm in North Carolina at the moment, and my manager just got frustrated. She's constantly calling my workplace, and it is annoying. And I'm calling to file a report on her because there's no way you should. Thank you. So my look. Okay. Let me actually call my manager so that he can come over here too, because this needs to stop. This is cyberbullying. This is not even cyberbullying. I don't care what we have on social media. You're not supposed to be calling my workplace and taunting my workplace. That's against the law. Oh, and she's also claiming death threats, so I want to make a report on that also, because she's saying that she's going to pay somebody to kill my life because she has my address. Okay, I'm going to call right now. Okay, thank you. Bye. Watch me here, blood. Since I said you want to play dirty, we're going to play dirty together. I mean, now mute, no live. You can't lose my work, because my manager don't care. Remember, say my manager don't care, but me can't sink you. CPS. What the place them? CPS? Me have not call the police, I one place me call upon your Bellevue, but since you not call my workplace, me go show on the set. Watch me and you are immigration next. You run with me? Me I call my lawyer tomorrow and I go report it to my lawyer, my immigration lawyer. Vany, you try to sink me I go sink you too. Vit, me love that's why I'm glad me love screenshot Me have me evidence them. Guys, any more information you have, send it to me inbox, because this is not a phone call issue. This is a case. Me I build up the Vany. Vany on a TikTok war. This come off a TikTok war now. It's not even calling a CPS and yeah. And she actually smoke and drink. I have screenshot of her smoking and drinking also, so I can send it. Oh, you're welcome. No, you're welcome. Yeah. All right, I will go ahead and send you everything that I have to your email, okay? All right, bye. Officer! I'm the one that called. Yeah, she said if they don't fire me, she's gonna let them come and shoot the building. So I'm scared of my life for her. Like, I'm scared. And you know, I work at night. Anybody can come here and do me anything. See? Is that her again?
Quality in the suite. Can you put on the speaker? Quality in the suite. This is Mark. May I help you?
I'm sorry, I don't know a Princess Campbell.
Yeah. And I'm scared. I'm scared. Yeah, so we gotta find something for it. This is her address. I have Nate, that's her address here. It's not because I'm scared to cut, like I'm scared of my life.
Hey, you need to shut up and listen. Please stop calling this number and just forget about.
And then they just started calling.
It is too much. This is just too much. It doesn't have, we're friends, we're not friends anymore. It doesn't have to go this far. starting at this moment. It doesn't have to go this far.
I just want to do my paperwork. So much stuff to do.
God, you said in the time of anger that we should seek you. God, you said in the time of anger we should seek you. God, 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 I don't want to get this on. God, me don't want to fight fire with fire. God, take control, because your daughter think evil stuff. God, may I come to you before I turn to nothing else. Take control, because may I seek evil stuff and may I have evil intention. God, as me lay down upon my workplace, as me lay down upon the ground when me work, don't let me start take up matters in my own. Hey, me nobody call my phone now. Me know nobody call my phone. Everything on the laugh for. Anybody? I don't want to fight. Me no want to start into evil stuff. Me really no want to start the evil stuff. Anything what happen for today? Pray for peace. Anything what happen for today? We no depend on own. Remember that. Anything what happen after today? We depend on own. We no wake up something in me. This one my ball. We no wake up something in me where me never want to wake up. Ivan the mother name. Oh no, Ivan the mother name. Somebody inbox me Ivan the mother name. Ivany, you better pray to God say a baby before me go home tomorrow. Can you say if I don't push out ice before me go home tomorrow, me go empty my account and call the baddest Obeah woman in Jamaica for make when you have baby. You know me who? You've just fuck, you see me? Me just turn man for you. Tomorrow, me empty my account. Me have about a couple thousand in it, or me put up savings. Me empty. Me not trouble I go to school. Me use my school fee and fuck you up in a Obeah. And then me go repent. Straight up. Me tell you. Pray to God say, you have baby before me blood clot go home tomorrow. You better have ice tonight. You better have, I mean, I can't nobody want to call me evil. You better have ice tonight. Because if you don't have ice tonight, you just get fucked. Yeah. Me never want, me never dirty me hand before, but if you don't have ice tonight, I swear to God, you're going to see me. Alright. Okay. You know how long people are reach out to me for fix it, and I never say, no, me in there something there. What would Jesus do? I look like Jesus? Get the fuck off, but what would Jesus do? Me say man kill man and repent, but what would Jesus do? It's okay. Alright. Me say you better have ice, you better pray to God so my heart calm down. You make me turn one look a wicked, bitter person. You make me take them a turn bitter. I mean I want to get bitter and wicked because I'm not wicked. Me say if you better pray to God say, me calm down and the hatefulness will come over me, pray to God say just over me because me angry now. But if you make me left my work and go I'm angry, anything will come at you, it's not my fault. I'm not talk about physically. Me talk spiritually now. When the things that come seek me in America, when the things that come make me lose my work, I'm just sit down and just laugh, you know? No problem. No problem. You don't want me become evil. I try my best to be evil, but you not draw the evil man out of me. You not drive out the evil man out of me. I know what to do. I have my links them. I have my links them. I got links Sandrine from Blood Clot Yui. I have my links them. You better pray, say my heart does every tonight. You better pray, say my heart does every. Because if you ever go my yard tomorrow and feel where I feel, I'll send Obeah under you and make you cripple in a child's birth. Argument done. So all you do, we just pray to God to me just my heart every tonight. Just pray to God to me heart, just every I'm just a vent. Because if me ever left or if me left a home with the heavy heart here tomorrow, me I make the phone call me need to make and me I go do what me need to do and then me go repent after. Since I don't want me lose my job, I don't know I come at me I go come back at you, but me I go come back at you physically because me not have the time. Since I don't want me sell me on. Alright, no problem. No problem at all, at all, at all. Me cup full up now. Me cup full up. Every time when I go up on live, when I call my name. I will retaliate a problem. Every time when I go up on live, when I call my name. But when me retaliate, a problem. When I wake up Satan in me, I wake up the demonic side of me, but I never want to wake up. Leave me alone, yeah? Wanna leave me alone? She better pray to God say I just want to go thoughts because my emotional consume me. She better pray to God say I just calm down. Me call America, me a work, me honest bread. You get me? Me a work, me honest bread. The apartment. We know that the apartment is not in her name. We know that I'm not care about her apartment. I am working my honest bread. And just the fact say, I'm not trying to lose my work because you know I got homeless. I'm going to start fight back fire with fire. Girl, me make you go up on the hospital bed and can't push out eyes. Don't make me have to wake up. Don't make me have to think evil towards you. No worry yourself about that. Your big on a birthday, Ivan, your blood clot, give our gift on birthday. Your birthday. You make your birthday, give all you one blood clot game chair for